Pretty good job today. So did the exhaust today. Not too much difficulty, to be honest. I had quite a good day. So really just made sure that the cover was on. So this has two, as you can see, two kind of large braces that go around the outside of it, and they just needed to be threaded through. And then I fixed them on the inside, as you can see here. I just thought that was the most convenient place. There's no instruction about that regarding IVA, so hopefully that's okay. We'll find out. And then it was just a case of mounting this bracket here, little L-shaped bracket, putting that through. There was some paint on the internal screw thread here, which was okay when we eased it through with this screw. And then you put the little rubber bobbin on and attach it. And this, the silencer effectively just sleeves over the join here, and then this little bracket here is tightened up just to bring them together. There is a little bit of movement in the whole system, and I think when it gets hot everything will start to respond in a different way, but you know, pretty stable when you actually have it in place. So that didn't take too long. Quite a quick job actually, so yeah, good start that was.